How are you? Good bird. How are you, pretty bird? Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello. Oh, you want fed, huh? He wants soft, he wants fed. He's on the iPod. Now he's on the camera. Oh my gosh. You are precious. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You precious little birdie. Want some mealworms? Here. There you go. Alright. Oh shit, Daddy made a mess. Mealworms everywhere. Let's see what you do with this. Oh, come here. Let's get some of these. See this? Hey, come here. Hey, come here. Come here, buddy. Oh, you're cute. Yes, you are. You're cute. Come here. Step up. Come on, step up. Come here. Hey, little bird. Now, mealworms for the bird. Little bird, little bird, little bird. Come here. 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 Little bird, little bird. There you go. Good boy. Let's see. Come here, little bird. Come on up, little bird. Little bird. Yes, yes, yes. Hey. Oof. There you go. Oof. Come here. Come here. There you go. Here, you're running through the mealworms. Checking out the camera. There's another one, yes. Yes. A mealworm for the bird. He says, I love to take a little shit. There's nothing you can do about it. Come here. Good little bird. Little bird, little bird, little bird. Little bird. Little bird, little bird, little bird. Mealworm for the bird. Okay, I better put these guys back. I squished his head and put him back. That was not nice. Doing? Getting up on your box. Yep. I love to get up on my box, and then I get up on your ledge. Is that a good little snack? Is that a good little snacklet? Good little birdie. Good little bird. See, I'm a little bird. I'm a little robin bird. And I just love my orange vest. See me in my orange t-shirt? Yes, yes, yes. I'm an orange little bobbin. Watch my head go bobbing. Aww. You're a precious little guy. Okay. This is it for now.